Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to easily solve series and parallel circuits. Even if you are a complete beginner, by the end of this video, you will know how to calculate total resistance, voltage, current, and how to apply Ohm's law like a pro. Let's jump into the subject. Before we start solving anything, we need one simple formula, that is Ohm's law. I think you all know what is Ohm's law. V equal I into R, where V is voltage in volts, I is current in amperes, and R is resistance in ohms. If you know any two, you can always calculate the third one. Let's see what is a series circuit. In a series circuit, components are connected one after one in a single path. Let's see, this resistance is R1 and this one is R2. Let's take another one. And the current is the same through all the components. Let's say current is I, that is same through all the resistance, and voltage will be divides and the total resistance adds up. That means the formula for the series circuit is given as R equivalent equal R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus and so on if we have more resistance connected in series. Let I explain an example. If you have three resistance in series as R1 is equal 10 ohms, R2 equal 20 ohms, and R3 equal 30 ohms. The equivalent resistance given as R1 plus R2 plus R3. That means 10 plus 20 plus 30 ohms. That gives 60 ohms. And if we say we have voltage supply of 20 volt, then we can calculate, then we know resistance and voltage, then we can find current passing through this series circuit. Let's say current from the Ohm's law, V equal IR, I equal V over R. That means voltage is 12 and resistance is 60. This gives from amperes, that is equal 0.2 amperes. That is, the current flow through this series circuit is 0.2 amperes. Let's see what is a parallel circuit. What is a parallel circuit? In a parallel circuit, components are connected across the same 2 points. Let's see. If these two are the 2 points, R1, R2, R3, and so on, you can connect these as parallel. The voltage between these every component is same through all components, but the current through these components are change as per their resistance value. Let's see the formula for the parallel resistance. Formula for the parallel resistance, that gives as 1 over resistance equivalent equal 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. If we have more, you can add like this. Let's see example for this. If we have resistance values of R1 equal 10 ohms and R2 equal 20 ohms in parallel, we can have from the equation 1 equal R equivalent equal 1 over 10 plus 1 over 20. That is 1 over R equivalent is equal 0.1 plus 0.05, that is equal 0.15. That means R equivalent is equal 1 over 0.15 ohms, that is 6.67 ohms. I think you got idea how to calculate resistance values that is connected as parallel. And one more important thing in parallel circuits are, let's you can see that R equivalent is 6.67 ohms, that is less than the smallest resistance in the parallel circuit. That's the magic of these parallel circuits. Okay, up now we have learned about the series and parallel circuit and how to solve those. And let's see example which combine these two series and parallel circuits. Let's say the voltage connected as 12 volt, and we have seriously connected the resistance of 10 ohms. Let's say it is R1, and here we have two resistance that is connected as parallel. Let's say R2 equal 20 ohms and R3 equal 30 ohms. Now you can clearly see these two resistance is connected in parallel, and this R1 resistance is connected as series to the circuit. When we have these combined circuits, first we have to solve this parallel part, right? Let's see the R equivalent. We have learned the equation previously. So R equivalent for the parallel is equal 1 over 20 plus 1 over 30. This gives us R equivalent equal 0.0 1 over R equivalent equals 0.083, that is R equivalent equal 12.05 ohms. Now let's see, let's draw again the circuit. You can see this R1 is equal 10 ohms, and now the equivalent R equivalent equal 12.05 ohms, and we have 12 volt supply. Now you can see this circuit is these two resistors connected in series. Now you know the R total we can take as R1 plus R equivalent, that is 10 plus 12.05 ohms. That gives our total 22.05 ohms. Now you know our total and voltage supply. Now you can easily find the current flow through this circuit. Let's say it is I, from the Ohm's law. Using Ohm's law, V equal I into R. You can find I. V is 12 volt, and R is 22.05 ohms. This gives 0.54 amperes. That is the current flow through this combined circuit is 0.54 amperes. Like this, you can solve complex circuits in future as well. I think you understand the how to calculate these combined series and parallel circuits. Thank you. If you learn something from my video or understand the basics to learn in future, you can subscribe my channel and like, and you can comment any question in the comment section. Thank you.